In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Smartsheet. Whether you're managing multiple projects or want a clean slate for new tasks, replicating a Smartsheet can be a huge time saver. Let's dive into the steps to make this process seamless and straightforward. First, you want to begin by accessing the specific Smartsheet you wish to duplicate. To do this, log into your Smartsheet account, navigate to your list of sheets, and open the one you need to replicate. Being in the original sheet ensures that all your data and settings are present for duplication. It's crucial to double check that you're working with the correct sheet to avoid any confusion later. Next, once you have the Smartsheet open, move to the top menu and click on File. From there, you'll see an option that says Save as New. Click on it. This feature is an extremely useful tool that creates an exact copy of your Smartsheet, allowing you to start afresh while retaining the original structure and data. Following that, the system will prompt you to provide a unique name for your duplicate Smartsheet. This step is essential to differentiate between the original and the new sheet. Choose a name that makes it clear which project or purpose the duplicated sheet serves. This simple naming can save time and prevent confusion down the line, especially if your account holds numerous spreadsheets. After naming, you'll need to select a folder to save the new Smartsheet. Organizing your sheets methodically can enhance productivity, so choose a folder where the duplicated sheet logically belongs. You may place it alongside related projects or perhaps in a new directory that helps you manage your projects more effectively. Now, here's an optional but noteworthy step: deciding whether or not to include attachments and discussions from the original Smartsheet. This decision depends entirely on the purpose of your duplicate. If these elements are relevant to the new project or serve as valuable references, make sure to check the option to include them. Otherwise, you can exclude them for a cleaner start. Finally, all that's left to do is click on Save. This final action seals the deal, and voila, your duplicated Smartsheet is ready for use. You've now successfully replicated your Smartsheet with all the essential settings, ensuring you can hit the ground running with your next project. So there you have it. Duplicating a Smartsheet is a quick and effective way to manage your tasks and projects with efficiency. Thank you for following along, and I hope this walkthrough makes handling your sheets that much easier. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more insightful tips and tutorials.